Why are big brand window companies way overcharging you? Because they think that you should pay extra for their brand name. Now that I have shared with you that little secret, I would like to let you in on a deal that will literally save you thousands. For a limited time, we're offering you the ability to get brand new, amazing quality windows installed at a discount price. This discount price is so amazing that the big brands are just not willing to get anywhere close to it. So do your home repair budget a favor and call Charles to get your unbelievable custom quote. Your new energy-efficient windows will be delivered and installed, and as always, come with a huge warranty. Our customers are thrilled with the incredible deal they've received. We're confident you will be thrilled too when you save thousands of your hard-earned dollars. This limited offer will end soon.